Nonprofit organization Home Start is in need of funding during this COVID-19 pandemic. Joining me over the phone to talk about how the community can help some of these families is the CEO of Home Start, Laura Tancredi-Baese. Good morning, Laura.
Good morning, Lauren. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. For people who are unfamiliar, we've obviously had Home Start as a guest on this show a number of times, but for people who are unfamiliar, can you talk a little bit about the services that you provide to children and families in need?
Absolutely. For 47 years, Home Start's mission and vision has always been around preventing child abuse and neglect and strengthening families that are at risk. And we provide a range of services from prevention, early intervention, all the way to therapy and evidence-based programming to help children and families.
So how has this pandemic changed the services that you're able to provide, and what are some of these families struggling with?
Well, I think it's just a huge disruption for all of us, right? We're all feeling the strain and the stress. So think about children and families at home right now. So I've been talking with our team, and we're really just doing amazing things. I have compassionate staff. So what used to be in-person, face-to-face services, we've now moved to telehealth. So just sort of depends on each family. Some families are saying, hey, I just need a check-in phone call once or twice a week. Some are getting their full sessions, just doing it over a telehealth manner of services. And then I was in the office last week with one of our therapists who said, a couple of my clients, they say they want to come in, and so I'm going to be here for them. So she disinfected the therapy office and, of course, followed all of those precautions. But the families are stressed. Parents who are struggling because their children have behavioral health challenges are struggling more, so they really need our support right now.
Yeah. What are you asking of the community in order for them to step up and possibly help some of these families? Because I know there are some individuals at home who are looking for different ways to help.
Well, we're providing all kinds of resources for them. So, of course, food gift cards are something we're giving out to our families so they can shop and get what they need for their families. Hygiene supplies. We're supplying diapers and wipes for families. Those are sometimes hard to get. And then, of course, things like activity kits or crafts for the children, things to keep the children busy. Just a general donation, of course, is always great because, fundraising hit by this with less people being able to support us. We're just providing everything we can and dropping off gift packages and care packages at the doors of our families.
And of course, I would assume all that information is available on your website if people want to get in touch with you and figure out ways that they could possibly either donate their time or some of the services that you mentioned there.
Yes, it is, Lauren, on our website, www.home-start.org.
All right. Laura Tancredi-Baese, thank you so much for the services you're continuing to provide to these vulnerable families during this time. Appreciate the work that you're doing and certainly hope we can provide some added help.
Lauren, thanks for having me today, and best to you and your family and everybody there at KUSI.
You as well. Thanks, Laura. Appreciate it.
Thank you.